In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to all contacts in Zoho Mail. First, open your browser and head to mail.zoho.com. Sign in as you normally would so you land in your inbox. Make sure you're on a stable connection and logged into the correct account since you'll be reaching out to everyone in your address book. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Contacts. This switches you from your inbox view to your address book where you can see the people and organizations you've saved. If you have multiple lists or categories, you'll still be able to select everyone at once from this area. Now select all contacts. At the top of the contact list, there's a master checkbox that selects every visible contact. If your contacts span multiple pages, Zoho typically offers an option to select all contacts in the list, not just the ones on the current page. Use that so you truly include everyone. Take a second to scan the list and make sure nothing unexpected is selected. With everyone highlighted, click Send Mail. This opens a new Compose window with your contacts automatically added as recipients. By default, they may appear in the To field. If you don't want recipients to see each other's addresses, consider moving them to BCC for privacy. Keep in mind that large mailings can be subject to sending limits or compliance rules, so use this feature responsibly. Add a clear, concise subject line. Aim for something that tells recipients exactly why you're reaching out, avoids spammy language, and sets the right expectation. Shorter is usually better, and including a recognizable keyword or your organization name can help with open rates. Compose your message in the body. Start with a brief greeting and a sentence that explains the purpose of your email. Keep paragraphs short, highlight the key benefit or update, and include a single obvious call to action, like a link to learn more, register, or reply. Use simple formatting for readability, and if you need to attach a file or add an image, keep the total size reasonable. A professional signature at the end helps with trust and clarity. Before you send, take a moment to proofread. Double-check the subject, scan for typos, verify that the right contacts are included, and ensure any links are working. When everything looks good, click Send. You can confirm delivery in your Sent folder. That's it, your message has been sent to all your contacts in Zoho Mail.